Okay, I'm gonna wait just a second here. I'm going to spread the link around. Everything would work everywhere else. Okay. See, shill there. Shill there. Shill it there. Wait and wait and wait. And wait and wait. Oh, we got someone. Hello. We're just waiting a minute for everyone. Or for the links to go around. Oh, that's you. Cool. I was just telling you or requesting that you give that a ping in the NZP community. That'd be cool. That'd be great. Awesome. You're making Devel games. That's right. We are doing a little bit of that. Are you gonna stay in the stream this time? Or are you gonna leave after a few minutes like you usually do, Sean? No shade. Just curious. Got my water. Playing Starfield and will do. Appreciate it. Just wait another minute or so. See what happens. I don't wanna give an introduction multiple times. So we'll just wait a minute. What's plans for today? So small stuff. Did a little bit of small stuff today. I received another donation. So that means time allotted. So on my to-do that I thought to take a look at is for one, the mystery box. So currently multiple clients can still possess the Wonder Month. So that needs adjusted. What else do I want to do today? So the MP5K needs hands at least. Instead of the quick hands. And then I might look at hiding the crosshair during specific elements. So like when you're during a reload or during a weapon swap. I might look into that. So just a lot of small cosmetic things, basically. Nothing too massive. NZP makes me feel things in places. I'm glad. I love making you feel. You specifically. So might as well get started. WAF will definitely be the easiest. I already have the file I need open too. So I want to. Something's wrong with my VS Code terminal. So if I go to tools, I don't think I can do this. Oh, I can. Cool. And then you can GTFO it. So very, very simple implementation here. I don't want to add to the mystery box file because that's unnecessary. Instead, I think weapons should have a property detailing whether or not they can be obtained multiple times from one source. So what def, we only want to name it float. Web def, let's see, can only be held by one client. That's such a long name. I'm like, yeah, I could name it like is special weapon, but then that doesn't apply properly within the context. Only one in world. Only one. Only one allowed. Something stupid. So the WAF is the only one that meets that. So it'll be the only to return there. Web def, weapon, and then the doc will help clear this up a little bit. Rings true if server is only allowed to distribute this weapon to one player at a time. Retrieve from box. Works for me. So now, so there is a quick and dirty way to do this implementation, and that would be get random box weapon. That would be to check every player every time we generate a weapon from the weapon pool. That'd be really slow. So I think the best bet here is where's the defs file? Defs custom, wherever the mystery box is. Mystery box. Float. By player. So I don't like how long that is in comparison to everything else. Like already obtained. True if only one allowed client already. So we can do a box weapon and box. There's a better way to do this. Weapon allowed and no mystery box weapons dot. Can I name it? Already obtained. Cool. So no need to change a lot of logic there. I'm gonna move this down to a new line. I don't like how that breaks open. That's not too much better, but it is what it is. How does this work? So whenever a player acquires a weapon, float change is going to be in the touch function. Let's see, this is where they pick it up. This fucking mess. So, I guess I can put it down here. Mark the weapon as obtained. It's set to only be possessed once. So then I have to go in every instance where it's not. Maybe it is best to only when you initially purchase it or use it to iterate through all the players in the world. I don't want to do it all the time because it's slow. However, so one, we need it to be here. That works. Just ideal, sure. The box update session stats. Void inbox session status. So find player. Here it's not the world. Fine. So that'll iterate through every player. And from here, I have a utility for this. I think it's player has weapon. Can fire straight shot, semi-automatic. Weapon player has weapon. If weapon player has weapon, player include that. I definitely want that to be true. For comparison. Is that just I'll use that. Is it just the weapon? Yeah. So it would be relevantly obviously I don't use that. It'll just be placeholder for the moment. So what plug in there then? Remind myself. So weapon utility, custom, weapon ID. I think it's ID stores the actual weapon ID. Yeah, it does. Okay. So this needs to look a little different. So for 0 weapons plus. See, that's why I didn't want to do this every frame, because it's running 27 iterations per player, so like 100. That's just slow. Shouldn't be a problem, just being ran once. So I'll do weapon ID equals 3 box weapons. I ID weapon equals true. And this is where this comes in. If only one allowed, weapon ID 3 box weapons. I got already obtained is true. And also, I should make it false. Right above. Oh, you don't have to iterate through this all twice. And I think that's it. You know, until it breaks. Make sure that compiles. No warnings, because I'm awesome. Let me make sure that it doesn't break the box. That still spins. It does still spin. Ugh, a broken skin. Unfortunate. So the next logical step here is to bring you over. Make the window really tiny. I'm gonna go do my stuff. Another instance. GTFO. Key maps. Is there a map with the box just right at spawn? I don't think there is. So I'll just use not. So here and I'll just make some bullshit. So we'll only allow 1911, the winter off, B5K. That way we'll visually be able to see it. Change the size of this window. It's another guy. Look at him. Wow. Turn on God mode for both of them. So let's get this guy the law. Clearly see it in the pool. I got the MP5K. It's kind of unlucky. You know, it is what it is. I will only get the law this time. Okay, and we'll know if it worked. We only see MP5K, which we do. That's awesome. So now if this player gets rid of his WAF, he'll get the cult this time around. Awesome. And then he buys the box. WAF is back in rotation. Excellent. First try. You gotta love it. So bring all that back. Love when things work on the first try. Actually, they're down. Might be a problem. Well, maybe not. I think it'll be fine, and if it's broken and something's down, I'll trust someone will report it. Let's see the status. All of these server files. Server may allow players to hold Wonderlock 2 at a time. Wow. Woof. Soph. Hello, Soph. How are you? How are you? How are you? How's your head doing? I can mark that on the list. See, fix 2 players getting them off the box. I'll check that. What else did I say I'd do? Oh, the B5K skin. I can do that. This is a real quick GIMP job. Source, models, weapons, MP5K, BMP5K. Look at that, the texture's there. It already has the good hand on it. Cool. GIMP that guy up. Your head still hurts. I'll have you try taking more meds and drinking more water. Image mode indexed. Convert that sucker. Export as common models, weapons, MP5K, MP5K.MDL underscore 0. Yes. Sweet. It's gonna look a little weird because you still got that paletted metal, but hopefully it won't be too bad of a problem. That's just how things are, unfortunately. Get the app camo out. Hello there. Unfortunately, I have to ruin you. That's what it is. That didn't turn out too well. I think I don't LARP it at all. I think that's the secret. Yeah. Each mode. On some little pappy guys here. I think the whole model is covered because it's metal. Black Ops moment for sure. Flatten. Mode. Index that guy again. Export as. One. Don't do PCX. So I've tried that. I tried doing it again. Just kidding. Don't stress your body out. Okay. Grab these guys, make sure it looks good. Models, weapons. Okay, bring those in. Map, fence, has it on the wall. Wow, there it is. Without the shitty hands. It's got the nice hands. I'll just throw a grenade and it's gonna... Oh, it's gonna bounce really far because I considerably buffed grenades today. Okay, I got a secret. It's kind of shooting. And make sure the paps can... Oh, you know what? This is gonna look garbage because I didn't change the opacity. Yeah, that looks like trash. Why would I ever do that to myself? You can hardly tell. I wish I could do something like 25. Oh, wait. 25 actually looks pretty solid. Let's give that a shot. Oh, I didn't index them. Get re-indexed. Another build. Let's see if I can hit the nade. I'm like all the way back here. Oh, so close. Oh, wait. Oh, I hit it anyway. Awesome. I love grenades that don't suck. It's pretty good. And then this might not be... Yeah, I don't think you could tell very well. Let me make it just a little more visible. Maybe 35. Because you can hardly tell the difference. We're on 45. 45. And then I'll just roll with it. I'll just assume it's awesome. Flatten. Index, convert. Right. And make sure my local version is up to date. Okay. And that is ready to be committed. Add comments, blah 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 blah. Models ads, 5K. Cool, cool, cool. Grenades usually blow. Well, they don't anymore, as of today. I sat down and wrote out war, and I'm like, holy shit. The range on these things need to be way high. So now they are. Let's see, that's the MP5K skin. So these are two things. I did one of them today. Blow up, I meant. Yeah, Grenades do blow up. That's true. I've seen it myself. Okay, this is one. This is one that's gonna be a little annoying. It's done. And I'm going to demonstrate something here. So it's understood its importance. Oh, I didn't make a typo. So I'm going to purchase the STG, and it was fine, but it takes a very long time to take out and put away. And you don't really notice it until it becomes a problem if you're returning after buying a perk. It's like, wow. And it's got that nice bounce back. I like the bounce back, obviously. It takes a lot of time away. So the solution here is we need to start defining playback rate for when a weapon is holstered and put back into your hands. And this is going to take a hot minute because I gotta document it. Oh, you're not oopsing. When the stream catches up, you're gonna be like, oh, that's cool. Get weapon delay. I think I was reloading. These are so nasty. I even think the length would affect it. It is what it is. It's alright though. Animation types. Is this really what it uses? I guess so. Put out, which I never do, and then take out, which I hope is good. But everything was kind of like how reloads work. Yeah, no. If you'll recall, because I know you've been in this file before, the only things you can change playback rate for is reload and fire. So this is going to suck to get timings for. It's gonna be kind of boring, either boring or annoying. I'll let you decide. But you guys are gonna sit here with me while it happens. I'm going to open new little guy here. Get that out of my face. Okay. Just a set rate for all guns. Technically it is. That set rate being the default Quake 10 frames per second. You just have a lot more frames. You need to launch Steam. Specifically because of that bounce back frames. Sort of adds time to it. But it's alright. We'll get that, get it nice and sped up. And then it'll especially help with difficulty because the MG42 has a pretty intentionally slow rate. I hate Steam. Thank you for locking things up, Steam. I love it when you break things. For some reason. Oh, well, there's VS Code box. Up there, there you go. I knew you could do it. I knew you had it in you. Okay. Now you can fuck off. And just the Steam client's such a joke. Slowest application I've ever had on any system. It's just so bad. It's gonna launch in full screen. Hopefully it doesn't. Won't in if it launches in general. There we go. I'm gonna change the graphs. I'll do 120 by 480. Kidnap. Zombie sump. Usually use factory, but we'll do sump this time around. God, let me turn the volume down. Then I'll turn our full brain, yeah, I'll turn full brain on. Go to some random fuck off part of the map. It would be perfect. Give all. Okay. So now is the time I get out a stopwatch. So I guess we'll do put away first. Put out. I never do. Starting with the 357. So time this. I don't have. Let me bind switch weapon to a button because I don't have a mouse wheel that combat that clicks the gamer mouse. Okay, so that was 0.6 seconds. Let's see. Don't have the Arasaka. So there. Get this guy timed. Oh, why is the stream saying it's not doing too hot? Thank you. Love ya. Hope things are cool. It's not doing too hot. I don't know. YouTube says it's poor. OBS is green. I don't know. I think YouTube's just mad. Anyway, good bear time. Oh, that was a full second. I'll do 0.9 to be safe. See what I mean? Like, this adds a lot of difficulty. If it takes like a full second to take out a rifle instead of a third of a second. So this is the grand. Okay, that was 0.4 seconds. I'm on the MP40. That was also 0.4 seconds. SH. That was 0.35, you say? STG, this is the big one. Well, actually, that's for takeout. It's huge. That was 0.55 or so. We're on the Thompson. That was also 0.5 for that one. Type 100. That was 0.35. Now we're on the double-barreled shotgun. That was 0.5, but I'm assuming the Sonic is going to be this. Yeah, exactly the same. The Sonic 0.5. This will be really nice for difficulty because I always struggle with that. The trench is next. That was 0.4. Let's take the Browning. That was 0.75. This is the bar. That was 0.55. 2. That was 0.45. G42. That was 0.9. It's the M1 Granite Launcher. Panzer Shrek was 0.5, I believe. No, that was 0.45. 45. Flamethrower. That was just 0.3. I love how the ray gun bounces like that. That was 0.6. Oh, you know, I just brought this. Better not be first raises. Waff was 0.7. No, because first raise is when you take it out, not when you put it away. These are accurate. Let's give myself. So next is the car. Car was 0.25. PTRS. 0.4. My friend the Colt. So also 0.4. Interesting. So now we're at the point where it's going to be a little annoying to judge this. So next is the 3.5s. Let me make sure they're all accounted. I don't think they are. Which one's by missing? Shared. Custom defs. Tops of bar. Stick life's not important. Browning. Good there. Car with scope. One M1A1. The M1A1 carbine is it on this map? That is crazy, actually. I don't think it's ever clicked with me. Is that the only one missing? 100. Yeah, that's the only one we're missing. Very, very strange. So I'll just do bar with scope. Then I can go I can go to not for the carbine, the M1A1. On. Oh, Springfield. Springfield is 0.45. There we go. Hello. 0.4. Move the code to the top. So now these are all in order. So I can predict what the next one's gonna be by looking. So that was put out. Let's just take out. Oops. Damn it. Then all out of space. Funsies, why does it skip these? And space. Okay. Oh, don't save. I'll loop back around to the DRS. Or at least I would have. Are they in a different order here? Oh, that's so annoying. Let me get the M1 real quick, then we'll go back to when I know the order. I hate that. Why would you ever do that, Treyarch? Okay. 357. Springfield. Just the air socket before, that's why I skipped it. I remember that. That was 0.5. It was a little heavy, so 0.45. And I'll go back to the good old Sumpif. God. We all. Back to this fancy spot. It's low cultist, so now I have the 357 next. Oh, so I'm gonna have brains next. That was 0.6 seconds. Next is the air socket and the Springfield, which are gonna share stats. I'm gonna make that assumption. That was 0.4. Okay, next is gonna be the good there. That was 0.65. This is the Garand. Oh, the carbine is there. I just skipped it, I guess. That was a first raise. I need to go to all of these to skip their first raises. Oopsie. Do another one? Now we'll get the real stats. Brains. 0.3. Shame on me, shame on me. .3 again. Are they? Don't tell me they're all 0.3. That'd be really weird if when they're put away they have timings. But when you take them out, they're all the same. Okay, the good there was 0.7. 1.65. Close enough. 0.55. Okay. Garen next. 5. 40. 0.3. Assuming the PPSH is going to be the same. 0.3. Okay, the STG. Now this was the slow one. 0.4. 0.5. That's what it was. That was 0.35. 100's next. 0.35 again. Double barrel. 0.65. Do the same for the sawn-off. Yep. Trench gun. 0.6. Browning. 0.75. It does take a lot longer to bring them out than just to put them away. It just makes sense because of the way it's all weighted. Putting it down is going to be easier than picking it up. 0.65 for the bar. 0.6 for the FG42, assuming the brownie is going to be, or the MG42 is going to be 75 with the brownie. Actually, no, it's 0.6 as well. Now that's not good. 0.4 for the Panzer. Zero 0.5 flamethrower. 0.3 for the ray gun. Um, 0.9 for the wall. Oh. 0.5 for the car skate. PTRS is the last guy. That was 0.7. There they all are. That wasn't too bad, but it did take a little bit of time. It took like 15 minutes. Jesus. Now we got the numbers. Put them side by side here. Plus F delay type is put out for the Colt 0.4. I'm going to make this even better. Do that. Make it a new file. Did I do that? Oh. Big type. Take out. Then it's 0.3. I remember that. Okay, we're gonna make it the same for the Mustang and Sally. Okay, so car. So put out for the car is 0.25. Then 0.5 for taking it out. I realized I forgot a semicolon there, so I have to get that. So at Springfield shows the same stats, I think. No, it's slower. 0.45, taking it out. 0.3. Okay. Thompson. What the fuck? Oh, the Thompson has different fire rates if it's pack punched. Oh, I hate that. Forgot about that. Okay, putting it out 0.5, taking it out 0.35. Okay, 357 is 0.6, 0.3. Why are some slower? Like some faster. No, I have that backwards. Alright, man, you take care. Bar 5565. It's gonna be the same. The Browning 7575. Do the same for when it's capped. Double barrel 0.5, 0.65. Same if it's papped. CVPFG 4.5, 6. Same thing if it's papped. Good there. 0.9, 0.65. Garand, 0.4, 0.35. Carbine, 0.4, 0.5. Same thing if it's mapped. To the flamethrower, 3.5. MP40, 0.4, 0.3. Same if it's papped. 5K. Share stats. MP40. MG. 9.6. Then if it's papped. See the Panzer. 45.4. The PPSH. 0.35, 0.3. Same if it's papped. Almost to the end here. PTRS. 4.7. The ray gun, 6.3. See, Sonoff is going to be the same as the double barrel, 0.5, 0.65. Same if it's papped. The STG, 5.5. Wait, are these backwards? I don't know, this number makes sense to me. Okay, same if it's mapped. 5.5. Trench gun. 0.4, 0.6. What's the no extra? I hate how this naming convention works. I'm glad I wasn't the one who came up with it. Putting it out means putting it away. I don't get why it's longer to put it away than just to take it out. Either way. 3.5, 3.5 across the board. Same if it's packed. The WAF is 0.7, 0.9. Same if it's packed. Otherwise return 0. Okay. That's all of them, I think. Yeah, okay. So I'll tuck these away for now. So I know utilities, weapon utilities. There's trace shot. Put away, take out. Bullet duration is 0. Duration is get frame. No. Get weapon delay. Not weapon. Put out. Is that the order? Yeah. Put out. Take out. Take out. Should be it. Looks like I didn't miss anything. Now the question is, pick up a slow gun. Yeah. It's what we like to see. Taking out the Browning feels really fast. And that's not correct. Do I not use takeout anymore? Or like I should be? No weapon. Takeout. I pick it up from the wall, it should be, but I don't think that's what I observed. No, that's so strange. So why would that be? Has that been applying to everything? No, the wall takes ages. If I make the takeout for the Browning 2 whole seconds, will I notice anything there? No. Okay. And takeout. I'm just making wonder, is it playing an animation at all? I think technically it is. How's everything else? Definitely feels nicer like this. You get that slow raise. Oh, it does cancel though. Hit that looping button. See, I like that. How long that takes to swap between them. Very positive change. Should hopefully add to the difficulty. And then the STG issue is fixed. It does pull out a little faster. See, I like the implications. So now it's going to take longer to get your waft back out. That change. That lurk bug. Oh my god, hold on. How did this break? What the fuck is the point in that? Um, we already do that. Model. I guess not. Model. Weapon model. Stat F. Stat weapons. No, I don't like that. Because then that's not going to fix it for drinks and stuff. Do we not send that as a stat? Weapon 2 model. Weapon duration. XL. Fusion. I guess not. Well, there's vmodel.model. That is something we store. Vmodel.model. Weapon model is not equal to the weapon model. Relating is false. Weapon model is weapon model. And don't be lazy. String weapon or weapon model. It should mitigate that, so it won't lurk if the view model is changing. No, it's still bugging out there. It's still freaking out. Actually seems almost worse now. Maybe not, it's just... Why not? It's definitely not a alert bug, because you can see that it's just pausing on a frame, so I guess it's an issue on the server with the frame updates. Which is unfortunate. Wow. Okay. So I'll undo this then. So the browning, it's not working for the browning specifically. Noticing the browning has weird broken branching here. That wouldn't cause the issue unless Big C's being kind of weird. But we'll make sure it's not very Big C branching. It's definitely not what it is. Do the browning specifically. W take out. What's that issue? Time plus big weapon delay. Self-drop weapon. Take out. Or should this be part of the utilities? I think it should be part of the utilities. Like in here. I think this would be the best place for it. But not necessarily the best. But maybe. Because if I jump this, and just say, it's time plus duration. And also self dot delay. It should prevent it from being cancelled. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's still happening on takeout. I think. Is that just because it's a fast weapon? Yeah. Why are you being cancelled? So strange. Put out runs W switch. Okay, this would be one. That should fix it from canceling out. So now if I grab this. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Should do a lot for the game. Now if I have something. Still can't get over how fast taking out the flamethrower is. It's so strange. It's so bizarre to me. Really, really bizarre. Other than that weird bug, I think this is good. So, status, source, and server, provide set duration for weapon swap animation. Okay, can mark that on the to-do. We'll see if there's one last thing I want to do for the stream. We go. /stream produce speed penalty. It's not really a penalty. Let me make sure this is an issue. Map. Bye-bye. I'm holding the flamethrower. Buy, quicker buy. Still move really slow. Also, it's broken. Has no one ever bought while holding the flamethrower, like ever? How do these things slip by? Is that consistent? Yeah, what the fuck? Is that with the, I know what that might be. There's some weird hack with the flamethrower I have somewhere. Surely it's not this. Map, like no one's noticed that before. I don't think it's this, but I probably did. Yeah, okay. Thanks. Get the fuck out. Front touch R into it has to be one of the two in weapon core. That's so So is it the one in W fire? I would think so, but no. It's not W fire. So then it has to be this one. Otherwise, I'm clueless. Yeah, what in the world would be causing that then? Specific to the flamethrower. It's another weird weapon we have. Does it happen while holding the Panzer? Nope. Get rid of these guys. It's really not because of this. There's no new file? It's almost weapon defines. What are the defines? If there's anything out of the ordinary, that's the name. The fire type. Delays, speed, positioning, frames, extended, tap match, recaptions. It's so strange. It's just anything with that fire type? Let's give make the Colt flamethrower. See if that recreates the issue. So goofy looking. No. So flamethrower Colt doesn't have the issue. So it can't be related to fire. It's so like it's so funny to play around with. Hold on. Oh, oh, oh. So it's not related to fire. No, there's nothing else that kind of singles it out, I don't think. Unless it's the reload hack. There's something where it'll always try to reload. I don't remember where I put that. I always try to reload after any action. What's if the magazine is empty though? What would it be? That's so odd. There's nothing else that singles out the flamethrower. Am I sure when I commented out this that I rebuilt it? Do it again. Gonna do it again. Retest. Gonna buy the flamethrower. Gonna buy a perk. It's just bizarre. If I hold the fire button, it sort of comes back. Starts trying to iterate. Can't do anything. I can back up on Childly. And that, quote unquote, fixes it. Is that, when that runs, and it sets the frame, I think that's the forced fire frame. Get frame. So inconsistent. Yeah, fire hold. Maybe this is what I'm supposed to be looking for. Ah. Let's see what's running this. W fires. There's a lot of other references. Hold fire up and should get sit back to base frame. Think I found it. No self dot is path. No self dot is bind. Is that what it is? Machines. What set is buying? It's so weird. Okay, that should fix it, I think. That was the missing piece. But we'll see. Nope. Maybe there's more references. I'll hold. This is for W fire. Ignore that. 2, 3. Oh, don't let the frame take control of on fire. That's it. That's the one. I'm calling it right now. That's it. So many pieces, so many components. And they all come up. What? Are you serious? Is it not on fire? Is there something else? Red dash IR hold. There's nothing else, really. Definitely gonna bring that back. What if the this condition is just bad? Because look, else W frame update. So that if condition just has to suck. I undo that and subsequently break firing the flamethrower. It's not compiling. Two 047. And then type is path. What would we want? Okay. So map upgrade sets is buying. They both set is buying? Okay, so it's just is buying. No self-dock is buying. It's looking for some reason standard products compiles, and that caught me off guard. Now I have confidence. Make sure. Yeah, total confidence. I was a little confused. Yeah, awesome. Okay. Status. Server fix. Purchases while holding nothing. It's not what I wanted to do though. It's an interesting derail. That's right, the move speed. Speed. If no, it's fine. We want to move full speed for purchasing an item. So that was leading me to before. So if I have something with a hard penalty, I start drinking. Yeah, I get all of my speed back, and it slows back down. That's what I wanted to do. Easy. Player, server, speed during. Okay, well that, how much did we do today? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items on my internal to-do. You asked me, that's pretty good. It's pretty cool. So I want to end it there. Thanks to those of you who joined the random stream. I received the donation tonight, so I figured I might as well do a little bit of work. Check the links if you want to also support me or the project. That being said, goodbye.